Okay, now let me talk about what you are doing in your research activity. So far, I think I have explained how you could define a problem that you are going to solve through your research. Then, how you could describe the problem in more detail by using function analysis, and then how the approaches, possible approaches to solve the problem. I have introduced two categories of research activity. Then next, what you need to explain in the abstract of research paper must be what you are doing in your research activity. I think to determine what you're doing in your research should include these 10 items. These are 10 items of information essences. I think this could be applied for both of research category 1 and research category 2. Then first thing is control component system or process. And so the information essence includes the name of the control component system or process and what parameters you have controlled in your experiment or simulation or other research activity. And another information essence is measured component or system. So you need to mention about the name of measured component or system. And also, you need to explain what kind of parameters you have measured. Now, I'm going to perform the explanation about these information items in detail. Okay, can you explain the things that you do in your daily research activity in one sentence? I can understand that for you it may be very difficult to explain what you're doing in one sentence. And you may not want to do it because you are probably struggling with everyday trial and errors to achieve some new finding. But you must do this when you are writing a paper, especially writing abstract of a research paper. So let me propose a simple format to describe what you're doing in your research. So I think even if you are in any field or irrespective of your discipline, you must be what you're doing in everyday research activity must be you are observing that something acts on something. So let me say, what you do in your research activity must be summarized in this sentence. You are observing that something acts on something. Actually, I distinguished these two somethings by using blue color and orange color. So to realize this sentence, what you need to do must be controlling the blue something as well as measuring the influence on something, right? So I want you to perform kind of analogy by using this template. So when you are explaining about what you're doing in your research, probably this template or this expression could be applied to any research activities. Then let me determine what. So the something which you are controlling, something controlled as controlled component system or process. Then something that you are measuring, something measured as measured component system or process. Then let me ask you the question, what is the name of controlled component system process in your research? And what are the parameters you controlled? What is the name of measured component system process? And what are the parameters you measured? So if you successfully answer to these questions, you will notice that what you're doing in your research has become very, very clear. You can explain what you're doing with these information essences very, very clearly. Then now you can insert those information items into the template. I just wanted to confirm that what you are doing must be summarized by using this template. I want you to notice that what you're doing is this. Okay, this is all for this session. Thank you for listening.